Creative Circle Mongsangay National Institute of Photography na certified Tauraba photographer sing na tan na layraba Creative Circle Mongsangay da ngasimak engsing direktuna adonggi wakal da tabiriba mamising adu asing daba ontoki makal makakayagi even singi photo plus video sing da natana fashion and commercial shoot portrait photo shoot product shoot da natana full length photo amadi cabin crew gi portfolio photo shoot ki damakta thoidok na maming layraba studio asina Manipur gi hojiki oigiba tamdu leitadraba fibam asigi yinga lakadoriba ikan kaya gisu special discount kaya pizari ngasi maklengsen piraktuna kanaba sinasi lobby for pre-booking please contact 9612455862 or visit our studio Creative Circle when your imagination comes to reality.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Khangminashi Manipur, and today we bring you a very special guest for this episode. He is the co-winner of 13th Sedwit Mega Mr. Northeast, and he will represent India at Top Model of Universe 2024, which will be held at Turkey very soon. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, please allow me to welcome Mr. Martin Irengbam.
Ahandumaktada Impact TV kuthangdagi yengbiriba mayam pumnamakpu Martin Nataram Nokcheri.
Martin, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, sir.
Martin, I have the Yan Handu Mikupta Queen Hectazaki Matam. I'm proud of a moment. Amakak Oikiva Martin Gi Sigi journey Sida Havatareko. I have the Sukyamna crisis me Amakak one after another for the past 10 months. Sida crisis me Amakak Layu Matam Zidai Martin Namuk Ikankang Hogdana Sigi title say Lauraga Puraga Laki Matams. A part of us have a relief that we can finally be able to participate in some happiness Havatar. Sigi Maktuzu Impact TV entire team give my a big congratulations to you.
Thank you so much.
Ado Martin, what is the point Havatareko? Handak titles not only co-winner of 13th Sedwit Mega Mr. Northeast Tabida India, whole India as a represent Wirakanda Turkey, the top model of Universe 2024 Sida Chatpiga or even Haitar. Sigi title may am say from Birakumatams, they saw the Karifawi Adu Hana Kangsake.
The Sumaina Mega Mr. Northeast Ki Sumaina pageant. Yamna chawa pejanama lepurga sumaina mai picture paje it's really honor I mayam gi trust mayam gi nungsibiba atumba love and support hai taidara Irengbam Manipur dagi sumaina love and support tawbirakpa and adazu Guwahati dazu mega entertainment gi mayam organizer mayam aibu thajabiraga sumaina yamna chawa yamna prestigious title hai tare sumaina pibir paje I'm feeling really honored and hojikti even Manipur khatang natana I got the chance to represent India internationally at Turkey da koda daksin silakadoriba Turkey da top model of universe sida India ze aina represent tobungam jagadoreda and I feel really honored to be like this next my peers
Ado Martin Makata point I know Kangjaning was Martin Hosik Folk the Isana Highway Greco 18 kitang helak with an idea Havatar Ado Martin gi education breakdowns the Kadakata the Gitambira Hosik Nakarito we have the Rimatangas we are curious on Highway. Okay.
Dadagi schooling je first school aigi school ka ba hojar pazara James Academy Kakchin Khunoda aigi punsi ga ahan ba school nai da
say lecture for school like that
yeah see the school je aigi pupuna aigi pupugi pokmina ba manang pa atomba pupuna je school je da admission tawbiraga for the first time da tamjabane da and see the I went to this Infal da Mamaiga Punna Kanatobi Kantor settled to Minarista and there leafet Sangai Progi leafet Sita I at the Tamme and class 2 Dagina class 3 at the class Shibokta Medra. Then after that I was St. Joseph School Sangai Pro Chidamka Mamana emission to Virga the Zamka Tamzera and Yamnu I had St. Joseph High and everything like no favor. The mind I'm the way the experiences of the brother would say I'm like
as a man important part of our life we grow up among that have the experience important
and after that as a 11 12 I higher secondary say Harvard School changangaida sida tawzereda sida zu yamna dum nungai gai tare CR and for the first time I career agi life ta for the first time as a selected as a captain class captain mo inaga select over things special hen mada adu I got that adagi kitang gym ju khara sana hojer pagi something adum isada confident khara dum laijaw adu mayam movie dana dumaina select over yamna ju nungai gi haitare dumaina tamina gi bdo and yamna ju mistoy mayam do like her chance every agi batch agi junior agi senior everything oja jing yamna mistoy
ada hojik na kada kari na pursue to biru
hojik se I is a BSc first year physical education the later and Manipur University da dada si je I jo first sem oy na like senior jing di fazana di khangnadri but I gi colleagues I gi maths jing di fazana di loiner da but myamna moi ju puxel seng bhai ta da manung da was lot na da vida something adum contribute fazana ko bai gi sile nang gi du lai bra maina fazana hangna ga even I gi makhal thengna ra bani da I videographer or photographer am mi pul le ta yaure dum imana pa mark ta even I gi smaina notice tak ke dore hai bagi si mark si da they help me a lot I gi videographer adum imana jing thola ga I gi video se ma khot pa transition se mina ba khot ba they help me a lot adumaina yamna mating pang adumaina corporate to ga tawre hai ta
hoi have the sigi hardship me ama kaksu martin na supan biri ko sigi hardship me ama martin na pan biri ba matam da khoina su stage te uja khiba matam da top medal of universe 2024 se India represent tawdre na have we kup to da have tar martin da fau ke ba dagi martin na have the mittagi p fau tar kan da adumaina celebrate to bi moment tu na su kaya mu gyam na sigi journey se yorakna ba hotna matam da karam hardship me am phangam ga da ge se dum ilai line ma khoina zu as a layman na moina zu ubangam se have tar ado mat makhata na mu ene khangjaning se top model of universe 2024 it's going to be participated by different countries of the world or sigi sida akoina martin gi na kari expectation ta wi sigi kaino se contest sida have tar ko kari expectation lai have da dig matang da sumtang have you
okay da sigi top model of universe it is mainly focus on fashion hai tar ko da hadi communication sugumba da aside thamaga sumaina model sab fazaba tanabun have tar da sidi top model of universe so aina sida expect tawjabadi anambana thengnagadori ma'am aji ati qualified orba talakadori nga moise dum well groom adum fazana la ani na khaledra adum handak aina chachariba mega Mr. Nordis sida ju ma'am matik charba ma'am ma dum thengnari ma'am ma adubu laibok fazana have tar da sumaina mai pakchare nga sidi ko da adu aina internationally chatkadori besu adum thengnarakani mi mama thengnarakani da tuka adum brotherhood sense of brotherhood aigi lamda kamai tori aigi lamda karam maina mayam je kamai loinai chaba chinjak everything tradition dum loina mak share tongna gani da sidum masana dum tabne ko da adu I think mayam adayoga I think I'm going to enjoy the moment and everything like cherish them togan handing it
yam nungai ta zo matam da have the moments you enjoy the or kan the yamna friendly or be environment compete su tong na at the same time you know yamna toxic competition do not the with the yamna enjoy the or learning process ta chat pi gane have asi ta zo matam da su martin yamna su nungai je plus enjoy shu to biro masung mai pak ta zo ya se have se hai ge masung impactive ge mai kai de ge so best of luck have so hai ge ko so so na su palakani na khanje have the model ama have matam da have the martin da yamna no riboy bataraga so have the quality loina mak su chain gum maina uzai have tar ado makha tarak pada khoina khangjaning ba se top model of universe 2024 aina so hana haije give different countries me am khak participate or ka doni different individuals different personalities me am khak so the thing na ka doni exposure se am thina wangi hai tar ade diko hari tongan ba form the loina mak exposed or ka doni sigi matam sida ai previous episode ama khak so mega miss notice miss monica ga so ai conversation tawna give matam da I asked the same questions martin da so I see questions and throw tawzar ke have tar because a part of me always wanted to ask this question have the India se represent tawraga India se nambo po birakanda akogi Turkey se chatpi ga doni India represent tawbi ga doni adda India se represent tawboina akogi Manipur se yaudaba sunya de because akogi root oibunina kamain tawrakanda Manipur se represent tawbi ga dagi have the adigi matang no sakang have you
as it is the Manipur se we all know that yamna tradition them rich oiba culture food everything natural flora and fauna yamna fazam fam rich oiba fam ne na akoina si Manipur je kamaina mapanda sakta kani have matam da there's yamna kanoti root yamna but still akoina taksa ga there our tradition akoina setor costume akoina how we treat other people sugumba minung shida I think that's the key. Ma'am, the saktak pa fang sabo ko dala. Asi kizna wedo male kan bada.
Yam nungai je masi maksune ko a part of us akoina Manipuri ne haibase akoina Manipuri ne laibak ta thelu draga so akoi gi behavior akoina kamain tor kan mi ge interact taw nei akoi gi traditions ne kaino mi amo ubu matam da kamaina react taw gani haibase ne loina mo akoi se Manipuri ne se dum ilai lai na saktak se gani haibani yamna su fazai abdi yamna su fazaba message amaga loina India carry taw matam da Manipur se yawi gani taja matam da se yam nungai je haitar ado sigi platform je aina haizabado Martin yamna tough oiba platform am khakti oiga doine Sigidamagta intense preparation. They may amakak taugadoine mega Mr. Notice a hangin a hara or Bamikup to Divatare, Amukandar, Matam, the sea competitions is whatly have 10 Havalor to have Tad, having a Pakalak, the Gumba Matoranga of Mal preparation, dig a mind to receive Matanga something heavy.
The Hosiki in the preparations, how's the have died. At the homecoming, Agiti, other my mega entertainment, the momento. Ngambagi momento poraga Manipurda adugi nungai bado utpa ho ngai bagadra aduduna preparation je actual preparation je da mapanda avadi Guwahati da Sarabiji ki makhada koi punna aigi co-winners mem ko koi punna tawraga admaina tawdo male kaledra ajiki di hodri have haijab tar
But preparation had self preparation had na koi isagi workout kung magay kung mata walay na ko physically adu kung madi dum continue to recommend them
adu continue to zeri and knowledge everything ko mentally kitang prepare to wamju changi ma'am different type of people thing na kaduni dara aduna mentally kitang ju prepare to zeri have dara
yam nungai taja matam da aina si hangai maram je akoina hojik achapot ama cha sa matam da aina chapot cha roi hai gi bado ari desu leidana aina oh ma se dum dieting adum strict tor ga leiri male hojik pawana and maina khanjagi bai tar yam nungai je adu sigi top model of universe 2024 se Martin karam kanda gadi dum main tarak pa ya bagi possibility gum badile kitang clue gum moina pirak pa leira kamain tawai sigi matang so hai bi
the actual date tadri but approximate to dum Kanghan bire hoida tum preparation no kitang do ju tawjana ba ko mainly in ta do man baje September lo shilakpa September hogalakpa August lo shilakpa sida ta do male dra
okay sigi same chahi sida wai ga do ni
2024
kui badi natre ko habdi jaram sakhi bai nai dai matam se yam nungai je Martin je hojik ti mi khuting bang ngadi loina mak ti khangna rabani hai tar Instagram famous or bani and then see bhau bo taw dring hai so voting gi matam dagi dum e se ngang je potential lai na koina se dum u gi bai tar Martin se voting gi matam dagi mai taw nar ko matam da mayam gi like share mayam taw nar ko matam da adum koina yamna thaja gi ba mi sek amukak se oi Martin se ko ado Martin gi muk biodata matik matang khangjage imai pa gi ming haibiramu Martin sina kari lam dagi no ichi naw na kya no have da dagi matang na something habi
okay dai gi ming sengba ming je dum Martin Irengbam sidam oi dra aduga ai gi poknafam lam dum se kakching khonau thongam aduga hojik present address sesina kwa kaithel konjeng awang laikai ai gi family je we consisting of 5 members ai gi papa ai gi mama ai gi chiche ani mati ai ni youngest na dra ai gi baba
pampers yam tawang bado male
pamper ai gi baba gi ming na Irengbam Hemchandra Singh mama gi na Irengbam Romi Bala chiche han gi na Irengbam Tanya Devi chiche yai ma gi na Irengbam NC Devi and that's me Martin Irengbam
am fazaga yam sunu ngai ga tar a very cool and very kind calm introduction have tar have the family this we introduced to we me am the ko Martin makha tarak po ne Martin gi life ta mo ese kitang hong changchan janing have tar Martin aina Martin da gi khangjaning ba se kari wa khalon da gi ko have the as a proper academic education so Martin dam chatha biri na ina off camera da so Martin hosik haibi ba ko adu lei lei na have tar ko modeling gi careers the career scope ubagi career prospect like khanbagi modeling career sida khoina khong thangjan bi ke bno have the adigi matang da something habi
the aigi di modeling this is my second attempt have that kanu da peasant oina da first time as a manhunt manfed 2023 da participate to gida and after that she gave second attempt mega Mr. Northeast the aigi kanu je modeling gi career je da yamna I hana being idagi taugi khalaga lakpadi nate da haijage da honestly ko da I a sports leisure me da to 8 years around maina I boxing sana jara me and after that I maina modeling da koi chichi hoina sinba matam ta gi gi chichi han je mims department da there me da
Manipur University
Manipur University da da moina chahi je men face moina sinba da so she want me to participate so I didn't yausil da and adudaju experience mayama panghore have tare like present oigara moigara kanuma preparation nama yaudana hekta changu matamda mai pa oi haiba jada adudagi ju tamhone aj men fet take and after that aj men fet loigra matungda like a bigger scope ama chaw khars kitang chawat pa mathira pa so men sidagi mega mr north sida tare adu sigi je phangna bhona ba matamda I met a lot of amna truth or creator amna sacrifice to give dedication everything I give family support friends amna minus support of wiraga so mina asi mayam gi mangda fam bangam jaisina
known unknown mayam na true voting da mayam kak support to wigra heta through your charisma mayam kak na su have the picture do khatangu matam da say this guy has a potential hide na voting to wi mayam kak su yaw in tra friends families mayam da gi su vote ki matang da su mayam kak to wi gi heta say moi mayam da di martin na ko gi impact tv gi truth da gi kari wa di hiding
mayam na sumaina ai hogalakpa beginning stage mayamna sumaina agi damta mateng pangbidana nungshibidana share tobidana like tobidana tobiba jedara yamna pel hai ta adum matung tarakpa internationally chalakani mayam chalakani bata adum mayamna nungshibidana adum sumaina so love and support sumaina henna ju bihaning edada and I'm really grateful mayamna sumaina tobiba je agi damta thank you so much
sungso should na supira kani na khanjai ko ina pirak paso martin ado martin hirama ma hekta da akoina sangchalu bu matam sida khoi gi oza guru haiba je yam tina important oi martin the martin gi so I'm very sure sigi passion gi lams le chang ko matam du tongan tongan bo oza guru me am khak leram ga dav male khongkhut par ga tak pirak khiba oza guru gi bing kitang pan bi martin
okay from the beginning aina sumaina hor kyu je as a manifest that was my first pageant Sisi yaw nuwa honar ko madam da that time I was in UFC gym the UFC da sana zari dara adu da Cocktail UFC gym da so there da Savi Kumar da na aj walk set pamate khara tak pi wasam gym gi matam khara lo slap ki matang jira da walk set khara set pasam tak pi wa and adu gi walk set pa tak pi gi do that helped me a lot da aina audition law ko yaw bulak matam da zu tumaina yamna engon da kana gi do da the mentor gi aduga I give first mentor I hand mentor harga the heli lai tangbam the dado lai thidana lai gidre yamna junu ai thidana lai gidu fashion society gi ona di yamna amang yamna chauna mang bane hai janing idara adu dada je tumaina dada na ju mateng yamna pangbire and after that manifest lor matung da sikana da mega mr nordisk ki preparation haujare sigi preparation hor ko matam da ishorna chanbidana yamna supportive oiba chiche ma pinabi re gi khoi former winner joy ri ko da sister Daniel Kangjam chiche na yamna mateng pangbire dum ai gi ngwa ai je dra public speaking skill kitang son ba so chiche na yamna soi kai kari da soi gi da ge hai ba gi chiche na yamna mateng pangbire pa ba da aduna sumaina ngasi ngang bu jungam jari na hai ta da ko da aduga sumaina sum je mating pangbo question naina ba khot pator photo asi actual competition gi grooming class asing hork matam da ai gi ma'am Kavita ma'am je koi ma'am gi di pura iman hai batare ma'am je adu ma'am gi manata yor pada gi hena ju exposure ma'am da hai kamaina mi kamai loina gani kamai chat gani kamai ngang gani sumaina ma'am na ju dum fazana groom to bi re koi ma'am je chedenu ka ma'am ga tana dana kai da soi gi da ge martin nang sumaina soi ngang go lep pada soi asagi ngak hai ko le atho sat pada jo main pat tak pe me moina jo aduna jo me ai greatest credit se mem hoi jone ati mem Kavita Chedanu and like it rava ai da the heli okay to that first one I walk tak pira ke bada Savi Kumar four of them the doi sign thing na was ai ki punchi da di da chi oi sign mem thing na was am ngai jai tar
gam nungai je ko haibadi makhoi mayam na pulla kan da haibatar like homa pet pa maler ma de met na sembira kit na ngasi gi hozik ai gi mang da phambire ba yamna perfect gentleman martin je sembira ine ko yam nungai je makhoi mayam da so akhodi amamam toina khoina study taw matam da fashion societies da study taw matam da di khoina study taw ri makhai loiba na roi haiba personality ngak ni haitar makhoi gi makutta gi tongan ba am successful oiba adugumba model me ama kak thoktana mani India gi natraga Prithvi gi tongan ba corner of the world sing sida work torga like ba model me ama kak makogi khutta gi thokriben haitar hojik su Martin hogi matam da su same ba su leptri lawyer agas adum sema kini ha gi thaja su me am kak lei yam nungai je oza guru na so matik charo matam da haidare satra sing di kari gi matik charo hai wai se haisani ko mate makhata boina Martin dagi aina amuk lakchening base Martin khoi gi handak ki kaino sida haidare 13 set with mega Mr. Notice sigi experiencing so aina kitang amuk taina janing haidare havidi sigi sidagi khoi gi ticket fanga kanda khoi mathang sida amuk chatka dori na ado han bada aina naina janing base tongan ba regional title me am khak phangre adagi national title me am khak sida famanga lai ni ado sigi title me am se fangba matam sida haiba tare ko hana as a layman da moina as a gym goer moina dum leramba sports da kaida family boy moina dum leramba Martin sina haiba tare sigi title me am se fanga khiba matam sida haiba di life se kamain thoi kari changes me am khak laki adagi glamour world changa abune attention me am sidi kamain handle tawi abda adagi matang da something have you
okay da ije thokchar phase from a comfort zone like comfort zone leramba dagi mama hoina kumna senabi ba oza mayam na chichi mai chichi hoina na senabi ram badagi tholok na hajani dara aduduna mayam round da phalong tholok matam dadi something kitang drag down kitang di towa but aduna over challenge given ataba I try to like any hand got na hona jaba like different 8 states sidagi thengna kado mayam ni and thengna ju thengna ko da different 8 states around 56 contestant other pakana to one contest compete tong na bune and adu mayam do kamaina handle to gani kamaina moiga communicate to na gani everything the minor worries sana ko matam da communication skills and how we handle other people sugum baji amna matou tare ab tare da and aina si chatlu matam da handaki experience ama hai tare ko da aina now tamjer ko je comfort zone angang je comfort zone sum thambi baje da se je di reality how the actual world works si ju kharga hadi khanganing hai tare da hadi parang thador ko matam da ekta ngaw gi hadi koi kai doduna khangda bagi kanum lay da
sanau ma cha thador
yeah the kharga lay da so aina haijaning with da the mina angang je kharga thadok pir senabadi that's at mama pa gi dum mathau ne da sidi senabadi ko da dum senabi ga da bani dum chatpa khotpa dum the responsibility ne mama pa ma ko ina aduna adu oi batar ga judara kitang exposure kitang kharga pibiba matam kharga pibiba like ta sum tawra ga lay bi da hedi yamna kano personality build up to da kitang wagani na khalle da hedi public ta khara exposure later ga di so aina hadaki chachari ba megamis northeast sidagi tamjar pa je angang je kharga thadok piba hedi exposure kharga pibiba public ta si je khai haning da
yam nungai ja du siam na chobo taking point among kak nai tar hojik ti modern era matam de na have tar parenting is also one of the most important key akoi na khoi su nong na chak nong mo di if you know laibak phar ka tar ga di parents among kak oi rak tani akoi gi stage ta Martin gi stage ta brought to wirak pa adugum level da di akoi na di ki expect to go da man you know it's going to be something changing that akoi gi matam di there are lots of restrictions maybe because of the Manipur gi situation na zu oram ba yai ko irang fate ma tok dem laidana ko adugi ma'am we have been restricted about many things adna Martina so hojik habi badumaina akoi gi comfort zone se tholok matam da di ingau ngau ra kari do no khang da je even ai gi life to hobo you know in my kind of life ki hagolak ko matam da ja batar me am kak thokyo me am kak su lai hai tar I can relate to that in core wa Martina hojik habi se ado Martina zo experience khara khak su muk share to bi re ko amasung akoi gi 7 sister plus Sikkim sidagi akoi na 56 contestant 56 contestants la kan da koina yamna hardcore competition ne tor ka doi se competition sida ado experience ato to pati kari experience to bi yamna nupa ngak tani la ka doi do you know toxic masculinity me am laiba dagi tongan ba yengshin na bagum ba dugum me am kari experiencing thing ne bi ke good and bad adu se kitang share to wi
mapan da akoi je sidagi chat khro matam da first akoi gi hana thungba mafam je se je ITA complex adi akoigi actual lebam akoi boys hostel like that boys hostel dormitory main dormitory mi ma'am je lemina do it's actually silpagram haiba lamji da lemina do ne mafam jida but sida chatring among the our first arrival adu je sik kano da ITA complex culture complex da loi thunge and there different kind of people have noticed ki ma'am je thengnare adu da and hai palo ubu matam da akoi mai time sana ta different kind of ubu matam kitang di power da manung da kanam di power ba but adum hek yo ba amna brotherhood sense of brotherhood build up to body that's and kitang possible way there but adum interact to na
in a professional level
in a professional way adum changjilak pro kana communicate to na re Tripura the first any Hanantina Tripura the Bino Deverma Mani Anantinedra Facebook the Insta the message and Tana than it's my popularity Tanbagi or Pogimatan and as soon as I reached there I dimaga with them connection dum kharkalai na za na maga dum mari pullaga dum aina till the last day am lunatinary have that maga the yam dum shinana joiner mana sing to aduga after that I know dormitory da halakpa matam da silpagram da halakpa matam da room je aigi hek Manipuri akai mari then after that somna kanda Arunachal khara laire Meghalaya sumaina matang thangbre da room da puna laiminar ni na adum Laiminarani Nungshinar by the other Fataba Kotaba, some was in a tumble Kentucky beds, Adam Hijagadam, Amna Nungshinana, Mayamze, sense of brotherhood, but those in the Kandalatana Adam, a crazy competition line has you spoke to call them Yawedra. Adam Mayamze, Nungshina Lone, and the Kimatangi and the key beds, Adam died as you, Mayamze, and this is a big farewell. Adam Kondana, Kotana, Kaptana. Bro, we'll miss you at the mine. We will see you soon at the mine. Take care. I'm not Nungshina Nazu, farewell the Tore. Experience, good experience. Higher that this is it. Sense of brotherhood. A quick mega entertainment gives you amni. So mine all Nordisk Punjanaga bind tova. See, Nordiski mega entertainment gives you amni. So, Siki good point. Was very high. And bad point is that Handakshi. Yamna kanna admaina the competition chalaga amagi podhuran ba amagi sumaina I don't see nothing like that I can't unarak tere bandak chedra igi layo fa ba haikar oh yamna nungshina loina re tar
ado Martin makhatar koina khangjaning bese sigi competitions have the amna tough foiba competition amakhak nai tar level ahum da akogi competition am khak tawra kadone tongan ba have the 3 days consecutively hek Martin mafam the venue the hek khong thangjan ki badagi horakanda you have been put under observations tongan ba angle da nang se kamaina tummi kamaina chari dagi horakanda even stage the kakhalak du bota adum adugi observations adum layer ka doini hai tare abdi amna ngaktangi chatlubu na kashu adugi kino natte hai tare magi mark natte hai tare resigi entire 3 days sida hai tare ko consecutively Martin gi core energy se kamai tor kanda competition se win tong na bagi makta hai tare kamai tor kanda build up tog ga di matam da sahibi
okay the me magi personality magic adi kamna magi personality se kam wangi Kam Molotov Mino, Kam Grumdor Mino have just one night, just one day the Khangminashi they have hanging it. So, Sumaina Mega Entertainment theory means you someone with high personality, Moina that the youth, the youngster, Moina Tamzaningai Obiaba, Fidamningai Obiaba, Tumami material panera. So, Sumaina Tiakumatamda, the one night, the things in Natabnina, whole grooming days, 3 days continuously grooming Tokumatamda, they've been judging us. Kuina kamaina from me, kamaina chai, me kamai loinay, and how we communicated other brothers from states, that of different states they go. So, yamna section na mega entertainment organizer ma'amna every single move setum observe ta galakne. It's not only about how fashionable we are, adagi kamaina kyam fazare haibagi junatana da. Me loina ba haibajibu adum me do comfortable when bam changi adagi kamaina mado aiga laimina bakanda mado nungai jabra ate mayam je crowd mayam ler magazu ai chang matamda mayam do wang launa ma changi haibagi nungai bama adumaina fawhan ba simbagi personality khar changi hai ta so all the thing mayam na hojik mega entertainment yeng is ju aduni haning da and how obedient we are adum akoi gi sir a visit singa je she je yamna kupchaba hai ta idum aigi judgment aina dum yengjab hai ta ga yamna kupchaba mi oi da habidi yengdaba malaga yengaga leramba gumba hadi akoina step am thangi bada soiba step athoi bada dum kitang mani yengraga ju ubu ngamba adumaina oi da oda akoi every single step se kai da soi gidage haibagi isa da ju kitang error oi jaba adagi dressing sense oi gra makeup to oi gra everything sumaina kitang adum section jari hai ta da
Ganungai taja matam da suko habidi akoina as a layman moina u matam da dingak dress for zo ma'am sela kanda lem light to the koina chatlura kanda the question khara khum kanda dum like yam easy mong khanjar ba haibata but akoina or reality the Martin na hojik haibira ko matam sida habidi yamna yamna core level da bhaw bahai tar observation sumain to biram khan base obviously koi gi mega Mr. Notice ki magi competitions kya mo yamna tough oi ge highways is khangza bagul ne nai tar the quality of the competition is also getting higher after understanding this ado Martin makha tar point aina mo khangjaning basida koi gi numit humni sida 50 ga 6 contestant right sigi se koina compete tonari ni tongan tongan ba states mayam dagi la kan da competition tongna matam sida atopa mayam duna di unfortunately mo koi di handa ki title se phang badingam gi dry tar but fortunately as a co-winner moina Martin na sidagi keno se koi gi grounds hai tar koi gi Manipur tamna koina pubira pungam me hai tar ado Martin isagi judges sing gi na di magi tongan ba observations Martin da ubiram gani hai tar but isagi oina ko isana that inner you that inner Martin duna aina ngasi win tawri se sigi quality se yawbagi ni haibagi wakhalon di lebra kari quality yawbana no Martin si mok sing khalai se di matang na something hai
akoina kari ma posak ma pam magati posak tu gi phangnabagi damakta will obviously hadi adugi honaning bagi ithilama dong chugira kai to any kind of obstacles lakma matamda we will face it si jadum obviously dum taamne da but pamba yogdragadi we will never have that guts adudana dara sumaina mayam mamangda outstand tawungam jarpa haitare dara si it's all because of like aina emoda emphasis thada giba self love all those time all those efforts that I put in myself ina chatkiba gym chatpa matamda thengnagiba hardship adagi mentally prepared tawna khona matamda went through togiba difficulties everything all those times and efforts that I put in myself adu na junga si sumaina mai pak ngam jar phane haning da
yam ngai se adu chumboy ga dune ko have the hotna ba mi se lem na mang de have the Martin as a finance example ne hai jage mate makha tar koi na koi sigi one of the round na makha koi ba traditional round gi matang da ayemuk lak jage mate traditional rounds the Martin na koi gi Manipur gi traditional dressing se am first na display tau gi chagarang ta bi ko get yetna da gi nam thang kulak in da na da gi koi gi faizom da so koi gi kunja nam bi faizom ga me am set na am first na display tau gi hai tar sigi matang da so aina khangjaning ba se kana gi wardrobe no set pi se aduga sigi dress in hai tare ko urikshen ga hap ne am phasaba sigi dress se sina represent to bi sina kari no have the matang na something hai bi
aina hantak chachari ba dress is designer Arvin Tonzam Manipur da yamna maming chalo designer ni da se dada na yamna nungshibina yamna support love and support piraga agi damakta da maina yamna fazana sembirakpa sigi costume deine ada mega entertainment da mega Mr. Notice chachari adu si chacharu na marmor ga juda ai je ngasi je sumaina mai pakchara pane ni da and sumaina sina kari represent to ino dress coquette adagi namthang khulak sigumba sina kari represent to ino haibadi it's all up to the designer have that ko da ai gi di kanon da na bibir ko do adu katang chacharu katang ni and I don't know much about this. I think it is.
As a coin is a layman, and when you get the designer to so in appreciate those in a set of different mild color include Tokiba and the green Selakiba Motokiba. A sense of royalty is always run through when you walk at the stage so that Martina Chatpira Pumatam the Hitarega Quiggy Prince Amana Chatpagi Mong that the minor field Tokiba the Gumba. So a big kudos to the designer Arvin Tonjam also. Makata Arquina Martin daily life because studying Martin is very nice. I am so young gory the game is energetic over the Gumba youth among Nai Tareko have the Mayam Gisamoyam Hubangam attention as a Kangam right on me Mayam as a hen beaning Kanging Mayam Kakslam and Mayam do Aina Hutsinjak and Hangzake. So Martin, how is your daily routine like Kamainto Tum Hogala like as a male model a moinaga Kamaina Kanatoe daily routines Kamainto we have the shared over
Aigi journey to the mega entertainment ki preparation see the person jarage after I work out see the work to pumatam na ko adum I say maximum 8 hours sleep see mandatory ni if I katangi natana even gym koi gym swain sana ba katangi natana for everyone 8 hours man rest people say it's a must I think duga I normally wake up at like around 6 or something like that and after that morning routine I have muscle recovery and everything cold bath tauba like ningdam thagi ingra matam da mama ina ju chai na da sige je yamna inge na sumaina narani kholani haibuge ngonda kanuma laibido da ingdam thagi ingra kandu da ising ingbu da muka aisam ko thadaraga 5 minutes sumaina ting in da ise and adu na help me a lot I call ba to have is da ai gi mind to calm wele and stress free wele and it also helps me in muscle recovery hai dar godra so I do gi benefit of fasan luxury da and after that I give family ki the lai khoramba khotpa and I help them my family ai nang amma makai di nupana ai di khoi gi Manipur gi oigara da si je nupana sumaina lai gi ninge to ba sumaina to ka to na de but ai atum ai gi family gi mating pangjil hai da sumaina tore then I took my morning diet aduga I went off for college in Manipur University da college then after that I come back then I went out for grooming class with I mem kavita gi kind of grooming class from the class yaure then after that yum hala matungda I went out for gym aduga halaga then that's normal day I took a really beautiful day hai da adum sumaina hardship nungaiba sumaina dum enjoy tawra lai
yamna su nungai ko Martin gi daily routine staff matam da have the health wellness spiritualism so adum include tawra kan da dum yaubi ba sigumba a well balanced daily routine have tare sigi matang sa Martin aina mo khangjaning ba se I think this question suits you the best to ask I say question se hangjira hangoi sira se yam kanna di khalam bane ai tare the Martin gym to pire ko dagi yum gi lai gi ting gi thok to matam da you have been very spiritual also sigi matam da koi as a it's a man to man talk ko Martin koina gym da bu chat po so amabu is a car so akoi nupa ma sen se la ko matam se am toxic masculinity se am khak lai even ai gi life to ho be nang show to kan da nupa na ga da gi makeup to ri no da gi akoi chat to matam da koi man ba or mi ka masakar fa ga ko matam da sakang na ko amato it happens all the time I am very sure Martin so dum sigi age is da dum thing na biram gre na kalam ga ni ko so what do you think about toxic masculinity your thoughts
Rasi mi gi kanon hai tare hadi subjective oi amana ma khanba hadi amana ma kamaina consider to bi ba si mi gi just their own ways hai tare ai gi oina de da ai gi mot di sumaina mi amagi physical appearance ta ante amada makeup to ko ba sugumba da just to da adu kitang down oi brand khale da hadi kitang phajada brand khale adu ai di sumaina just to warning da da koina fana hakchang fagala ga ju aduda hena mayam duna phungning thogat piba mana faragadi aiju phage habagi wakalon chmaina chin biba adagi makeup ta hire jeda akoi na chmaina men nupa na makeup to boje yamna feminine oina khanai mayam na koza adu aigi motadi chmaina makeup to ba khotba this all these things sugum bajidi dum magi just magi pariba sinfam oigara moigara adagi magi just magi self person do hena confident how could na ba pot na haning edra body and everything adi dress amma fajana selako matam da well body shape levam change and sumaina saksu kaisu sumaina pula balance thambam change khaning edra sumaina mayam da just as a message sai tar ka da haning
yam nungai je ko Martin go masigo mentality mayam se leiram tar ga de tare Manipur se unnecessarily cases mayam ka thoi ju thom da su yai na haijage Martin makha ta na mo aina khangjaning ba se Martin na khagi modeling ki career se yam pam na di hozik forward junction bi re at the same time Manipur University da so physical education da so hozik college yam changchang law na kari bani yam so active foi ba person ta makak nai tare pe ingai da gi sports ki background le rak pa da gi grooming da chang pa have the Martin ki life se yam nungai hai tare ko serious minus la ko matam se ado Martin hozik ti grooming se change pageantry se change da gi Manipur gi da mak ta laurel me am kak su pu bi ra ga hozik su lak bi ri hai tare so Martin how do you see yourself in next 5 years
the next 5 years
kai expectation tham mi aitar mi oi ba khuding mak se expectation da loina mak hingnari ngak ta na Martin I'm very sure Martin gi su adum leram gadab male si dai si ne step me am leram gadab male haidok pe have kharadi haidok pe mo taina privacy da tham tar ga su
da tmaina not only for Manipur like whole world jid have that tmaina drug abuse am kan chathari da drug abuse to ba excessive smoking, drinking, everything. So come jam kan chathari da. And as a man, as a model figure, I have that. Aina malimgi stage matam kakalam matam da. That one thing that I want to promote is that healthy lifestyle jitra. Kamaina handle to gani, kamaina healthy lifestyle to pushla kani youngsters ma'am je kamba moi gi mindset da kamaina healthy lifestyle je kamaina chuhan gini hai bagi sugum bagi ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ intention ꯑꯃ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ so in the next 5 years ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ contribute ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ healthꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ youngsters ꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯟꯈꯠꯂꯛꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ mold up ꯇꯧꯔꯒ better lifestyle ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ knowledge share ꯇꯧꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯅ as 5 years laterꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯎꯖꯕꯁꯦ as a coach sports influence tova and some health influencer have tare so in the next 5 years have tare da sumaina mayam da karigumba khara afaba khara contribute tova society da kanaba porpan misak and valuable person have do ado after 5 years the mind was either
yamna sunungai je influencer oi ba hai ba se martin de se oi begin de se hai bi ko but you have always been an influencer hai tare ko akoina martin gi instagram gum yeng matam da and ade tongan tonga social media platforms sing da akoina yeng matam da you have always influenced the youth hai tare ko maybe workout ki matam da hai ba tare ko so training matam da hai ba tare ko so you have always been influencer hai tare ko ado he na so influence ta bu so oi bi pangam bi hai jage martin yamna ngai je ado martin handa ki achievement me am khak se khoi gi chatpire achievement me am se pubire nambo podana khoi gi manipur se amuk hanbire hai tare ko achievement me am se ado martin aina amuk hangjaning se kari gumba martin se ki achievement me am se chatlora kanda kai gumba if in case let's just assume ko kai gumba fangbira amda batara ga de what would be your next move kai kai tauge na khalni ding matang na sa hai
okay
I think this is a very interesting topic
mane am interesting way to put sidi aina chatlori like I give first I give mindset like give da ngamba ngamdaba sigi nateda like kamaina aigi better version ji kamaina pukalakani haibagi there's something adugi intention do later that given it aigi sense of brotherhood other build up talk mayam that's the example hai tare ko and even though ina ngamdaba taraga ju hedi contest any yaw ngamdaba taraga ju next year lady aigi matam I'm still so young
very young
I am very young I'm just 18 and something like that aduduna I can work more ai mem hoi mem chichi hoi mem gi mating pangbina mem lei atin ai gi social media da sumaina mem na mating pangbir pa ai gi puning thogat pi mem sugumba lei banina I can build up more hai da ai gi self growth hena matam thadaraga I can become a better version of myself aduduga I can be some days atum represent tawraga I have ai adugi mindset ma lei ha tai ko da ai ngamgani haibagi mindset ma dum lei da
yam nungai je haije haidorak pa ngang thorak pa wa khuding mak se martin ge na di yam lone mak positive oi ne haije ge ko martin have the masi mak so have the ngai hai bigi you know a sense of spiritualism a sense of positiveness adagi family gi support me am na adugum good vibe me am khak ta brought up thorak pa na so aram gane a sense of positivity is always have the positive vibe am khak mi se lei dana ko yam negative ba yam complain tagon ba mi adugum ba lei adagi yam na su pot khuding mak se lone mak fana dok thok pa mi su yam khak lei hai tare and pot khuding mak se lone mak fana lone mak positive oi ba way da lone mak yeng ba se martin gi zo dum haina vi zo ba ma le ko masi mak na su masi qualities na zo have the overall this yam na chingkhat piram ga da ba so ma le martin gi yam nungai je uda martin hojikti chance yeng boina martin da maina chat pi ro kan da de tongan ba interaction me am to wir ba tar ga so you know mai bu fi na kyam kuina kupangam ga da ge martin na tra have the adum masa gi do dum reveal tok jare hai tare adu handak se yam na chau na achievement achoba ma khak fanga ga maina lak pi gre martin ado martin sigi sida hojikti mi me am na yeng na matam da as a layman moina martin se uba matam da hai tar you are a professional model or bani hojikti and professionally kuina model gi career se chang matam da martin gi ni di khwai gi strong koi bas strength se as a professional model moina the martin karini na lobi
zai professional model moina ai greatest strength it's the love and support and ai health sis ai strength any that and love and support have matam da like all the supports and love ai family ai friends even that someone ai tare ko that one okay and manzu adudaki ai insta and everything Facebook and social media friends everything they are all my strength mo yaw da nai ngasi sumaina leiba ji ju sumaina mayam mamang da famma ngami ji ju it's not possible and health yaw draga da nothing is possible aina fana hona jarga ju fana ngang ba hejara ju even ai health yaw draga di then nothing is possible either and all the gym tseba sumba sida khatang natana is how we handled ourselves haidi kamaina groom tawjai kamaina healthy lifestyle ma da kamain lei haibagi sugumbagi kaino haning ita adi healthy oi have matam da si gi sense in puning ena haine pujaning budai ta and si magna sudara smaina ngasi mayang gi mamang da pham ngam jari ni da
yam nungai je Martin aina hozik taja gi matam da yamna su nokning ba yamna su nungai ba moment amaka Martin da gi aina thengna gi haitar you know by giving credit to your special someone haitar Manipur da sigi chana bi amaka lai ko have the akhoi je adugi or special someone du na so yamna ka haina support pibirak patara ga so khoi society sina haiba tare ko mo credit se officially basna pizza ge to bo se koi na ngam da ba du moment me amaka lai hai tare ko Martin so kitang pan bi rai ngai sida effective gi thong da gi to that special someone who stand behind Martin to achieve this goal. Thank you so much hai se ge Martin maka da koi na Martin akhoi se modeling se has the handaki for the past few years akhoi gi Manipur district career se amna booming oi na Manipur se unstoppable way modeling careers that they have the every year tongan manupa nupi model me am se amna Manipur se thole hai tar and all of them so perfect yam tina perfect way tongan ba adagi international companies me am da mo khoi na work to me am khak leigra bani khoi gi model me am sai tar quality leiba model me am khak Manipur da gi thokra bani Martin, you are also one of them ado karigumba Martin opportunity fang bi bata ra gadi कोई हंदक की चक्कर दौरे बतर की चक्कर दौरे बा जर्नी से जो एक्सपोजर से एक इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर ने मार्टिन फंग का दौरे से नट्रा अदो मार्टिन आई की क्वेश्चन से करीगुम्बा मार्टिन ना opportunity fang bi bata ra di have tare ko Martin se atop abroad ta adugumba work to gi bagi isa ge career se chokhat na bagi damakta abroad ta work to gi bagi adugumba opportunity fang bata ra di to bi gadra kamain to bani khoi career se kamain sem ge na khale di matang sa have you
that's a really interesting question ha tare ko oi da aina dak sa ga Turkey is like a top model of universe. It's a really big platform. Internationally exposure from and by chance, luckily, adum dawaragadi adum sumaina internationally kota mayamna sumaina offer lak pay. And if lak pataragadi, obviously I will accept it because Manipur da sumaina sum layraga laubudu budi hayang internationally thakta tho matam da dudagi lawpudun hen magun julai gani da ma'am na joina khangani khale en khan da so edugi offer surely edum accept to gani da
yam nungai je ko have the lak su lak kan have gi possibilities me am ka lai na su isana personality sem thaje haidar Martin da hojik lai riba Martin gi personality edagi Martin gi overall physical look have tare ko she say you are a very perfect model have tare ko hadi me am na achieve to ngam na da dreams me am ka su Martin na hojik phaw am na very young age da achieve to ngam mi bani na have tare ko sung so should na lak ni lak so if you I know wish to say Martin makhata na inom khangza ning ba se khoi gi hojik phaw bogi career se da Martin having a size mamang hogala ko matam da khodi tongan obstacles me am ka thengnagi haidana panbigi ko ado karam ba obstacle me am se marta khwaidagi wagi obstacle hojik fawgi journey se da waraka da badi am lairi ko Martin but hojik fawgi journey se da khwaidagi wagi obstacle se karino have da dus matang da sa have
okay ai obstacles ha ga da khara thamjage ai mayam da share tok thok ya bhai ka haidar ko da main thing ai gi obstacles se ri amna aingonda amna hard to give da shall I give up? I matang I give up to order. Habagi sigi dum laki odra. Sumaina lak matam da. Hadi middle class family amada gi haidar kodra. Sumaina tholopa sumaina like modeling. It's all about like financially akarang chang edum ko. Hadi body samba, like dress, clothing, and everything, makeup, facial, hair, everything. Paisa dum chang ma tane. So I give up to order. Habagi sugum ba amna laki haidar. So that time, I give family na hope ti manghandaba. We can do it for you. Just keep going. Nangi to thokpa dum honabam thokpa hono akoi leri nangi back ta we will do it. Haibagi sumaina. I the courage preview da. That yamna yamna sumaina. I'm getting really emotional this time.
Yeah, so no, I have the I'm so emotional to a moment. I'm sorry, Martin. I know Martin get a part of your life. Though I know open door. I'm very sorry, but it's really happy to know that adugumbe I'm supportive of a family. Martin gi fang gi bai che ima ipa me am kak fang gi bas. Mashimak na sune Martin kogi Martin nga sigi level se bobo yokut punga mi se ka. Have no ngai Martin. Makata na ina mu khangzening bas Martin. Martin de was a successful model amakak were true Mr. Mega Northeast Sidagi ko. Mega Mr. Northeast Sidagi am successful model amakakti or Martin. Ado makata na muk mathangi chahi da tongan ba chahi da ba tare ko angang me am khak sidi yawning ba me am khak leram gani Martin da look forward to ni me am khak leram gani hai tar sigi matang sida ina question hangjaning ba se matau kram tau na mega Mr notice se angang nupa macha ma khak na kamain tor kan da yaw ba ya ge masu preparation sina kamain tau gani have da dugi matang da somtang haibe
sumaina yamna chawba mega Mr notice sumba pageant sije yawge haina khanbiba if there's anyone youngsters youth lairagadi then simaina yamna hona ba moina hona aina aigi site gi aina jo thengnar ki bhai haiba tare ko da aigi site gi hona ning bhai gadi public speaking skills sije kitang strong way ninge and mentally kitang prepare wa biba I think mi na question throw to ko matam da adugi chana ba answer pi bangamba sugumba to da ki kitang masada jo kitang emphasis thada ninge da like physics and everything kitang yeng bada mina outstanding kitang song thok bai bam nei dana ko da sije kitang way ninge and even though tar in the physics yaw da that's okay dum city pageant city I give presence of mind how I interact with other people sugumba yeng ba ta ne ba so I hygienic but they just pasana groom to biba and sumaina age restriction like 18 years sumaina 18 years to give up that sumaina I think it's 26 or something like that sumaina live never so 18 years I was 18 years yodring ida they cannot participate duduna sigi marksida if moina konna matung de yawning ba taragadi they have to start their preparation had hiding it
ya nungai je this is yamna maru oiba adugumba wahai ngak tane have tare Martin be honest see competition see the height the important over let's be honest
height is that I don't think height is minor the physical appearance the just to work the platform adu nothing hiding it because past winners the like 3 of them co-winners sing the yamna adum boy yes he has yeah he's from like Nagaland or something like that amna height yaw but my body would yaw my give the tag ma'am do like they are not perfect in body at the height the nemba adum the tagni and the first one at the Nagaland the tire pass she say me wange but he don't have the physique ma'am na pamnari physique is more yaw but so in hygienic with the physical appearance the best of adumba platform na ten hiding so it's okay like go for it yeah
ya nungai je ko Martin ki chille matam kya kai thok pit na koi impact TV na sandok cheri Khangminashi Manipur sting tang dor so ngan bi ra zai tar khoi gi ne yamna lai fa bani the Martin loisilak point na ko khoi gi inkhalai ban ha sing sida Martin bu pamjawa Martin da yengjawa mi yaw gak su leram ga ne aina nga sai haije gi the attention is pouring you from everywhere every corner ko have the message han ba sang waram ga da ma lai tar adugu maruda kari message TV ningi Martin ki site gi something high view
as adi hana mayam gi damakta mai puraga lecture ba tumba as a model figure hai tar ko in a mayam dining badi ai gi experience su gi ju matungin na just dream to wona katang gana de something we have to work for it matam thada ba daka tai we have to work hai ji da ko da self da sada pasana thada ba mathau tai ba so that's it Swaina matam sada matam thada view so self growth everything sada trust orga work for it so my hiding it
gam no ngai Martin gi valuable oiba dugumba wahi me am si tare impact na thong oi je ga phum khuni mok to yohon ba sungam jage amasung Martin gi chilla matam kya kai thok pitna khoi gi impact TV gi Khangminashi Manipur se lak pitna even reception ke ama kak su Martin even Manipur University reception like heavy ko reception ke ama kak su khoi na thai bira maga have tare khoi gi show si gi damak ta smile phambi dana khoi gi part of khoi star moi bi ba have tare sig thank you so much amasum handak pangthok ka doriba top model of universe 2024 da so khoi hozik mai pa ga lak pir su maina mai pa ga lak pir plus khoi gi India se represent ta wi matam da part of Manipur so adum thamoi da carry tor ga chat piu have se si wa hai se impact TV gi mai kai dik thamjari thank you so much once again
thank you so much
masiga lorena impact TV na paring na sandok chari ba Khangminashi Manipur gi tharam matang swai da loishire matangi episode ta anawa personality amaga lorena anawa wari kaya pudna miyam gi damakta impact Khangminashi Manipur hanjar khige impact TV bu mijing ta aduna lebiu